Hi, my name is Piotr Bentkowski, and I'm the product manager at Xapo Bank. Here at Xapo, we believe Bitcoin is more than just an investment. It's financial freedom. But one challenge we often hear is, how can I get cash without selling my Bitcoin? Today, I'm excited to introduce Bitcoin-backed loans, our answer to that question. Traditional loans, they come with a lot of hurdles, like credit scores and income verifications, along with high interest rates, penalties for early repayments, rigid repayment schedules, and a long, complicated approval process. From our conversations with members, we've seen them use these loans in many ways, like making a down payment or funding home renovations without cashing out their Bitcoin, expanding their businesses, investing in stocks, or funding new ventures while keeping their Bitcoin holdings intact, covering unexpected expenses, whether it's handling medical bills, emergencies, or family needs without selling their Bitcoin, or even celebrating milestones with the people in their life, funding weddings, anniversaries, or other major life events. So, how does it work? When you take a Bitcoin-backed loan with Xapo Bank, your Bitcoin stays secure in your Bitcoin vault, while you access up to 40% of its value in US dollars. And since your loan is backed by Bitcoin, you receive funds instantly. Do you need more reasons to choose a Bitcoin-backed loan? You can borrow up to $1 million. The cash is deposited into your USD account within 60 seconds. You can repay anytime with no penalties. And there is zero fees, so no setup, arrangement, or closure costs. So getting started is really simple. Deposit your Bitcoin into your secure Bitcoin vault in the Xapo Bank app. Then go to the loan screen and select your loan amount and repayment period: 30, 90, 180, or 365 days. Then review the details and tap confirm. Now your loan is granted and the cash is in your USD account instantly. Yes, it's that fast and easy. So, are you ready to put your Bitcoin to work? Visit your Xapo Bank app to explore Bitcoin-backed loans.